Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this effect in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I just close this page. Already opened a new Canva page and already inserted the background image what I would like to use. Actually, this is, as you see, this is just an image, nothing else, only this one layer on the picture. I just would like to show you I'm not cheating. So only this picture is in the Canva at the moment. The first step, I have to duplicate it. So I duplicated it and clicking the BG remover, so I remove the background and click it again. And now I have this background remover editor. I just reducing the brush size and clicked on the restore. Try to create a straight line from the top and the straight line more or less in the middle, just to fit inside of the tower a bit here. And now I just doing one small line again just next to the other one to helping myself, and here a bit just to make it more, yes, and here again. And now increasing the brush size to 100, and that was the reason why I just made one more line next to each other to helping me to not starting here, just starting a bit more further right. And I click on the editor, just close the editor. So now I have two layers, one with a full picture and one with this half removed. And now going to the text, add heading, and just typing Paris, increasing the size just a bit at the moment. First I have to find text what I would like to use. I think this glicker is good enough. I just go into the effects first, lift, just increase the lift a bit, like to 80. And I think the size is, I can increase a bit more. So I just leave here, maybe a bit further from the tower. I go into the animate and searching for the baseline, both. Reducing the speed, and it's have to go from the right to the to the left direction. And as you can see, now it's almost done. As here is the end of the first picture. So I go into the position layers and moving between the two pictures. And now, as you can see, sorry, I forgot to do one thing. I go into the baseline. Yes, I forgot to turn on this reverse exit animation. So if I click on this reverse exit animation, the text is coming from the right to the left and going out to the opposite direction. Now it's if you can see, going to the right, yes. And that was important to restore this part of the tower. It looks like it's really entering and exiting on the bottom border of the tower. So this is the final result. Hope so you like it. Please do not forget to click on the like button and subscribe to my channel if you really enjoyed it. And see you in my next tutorial. Ciao.